Scene Dodgers.
Well, here we are again.
Yeah, but this time we're seniors.
And we're gonna rule the school. Okay, girls. Let's go get us.
Tell me that you love me when you know you don't love me, but I guess it's like that. You can play the game, I'ma still do nothing. Ain't nobody with the right to be hurt. When you fuck them other girls, I bet they be wondering why you always call my name. You think I'm gonna ride around? I ain't got all day. You don't need another lover, don't you let it go. I already got it covered, let the others know. Jump on it, jump on it, jump on it, jump on it.
Why'd you grease the lightning?
You want some brain? Chicks are pretty. Where's the lightning?
All is fair in love and war, but all I do is love you more. Our love is crazy, unhealthy, but I can't keep from you, baby. So you say, why even bother? Set this up, set me on fire. How I wish you'd be the victim, so you'd see just how I feel. No, that I have conditions. I'll make the rules and make the decisions, and all I want nothing less than what I deserve. So you better run before I decide that you are mine. Sounds good, like you better run, nowhere to run but to me. Take,
Give it up one more time, y'all.